Namaste bachchon. Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to learn part 11, lesson 11, Nyay Mantri. Day 1, day 2, day 3 videos are available in our channel. Please make use of it. In this video, the whole lesson, that is the video of day 1, day 2 and day 3 are combined, and if you wish to watch the whole lesson, you can watch this video and make use of it.
Lesson 11, Nyay Mantri. Nyay Mantri. Nyay Mantri means Minister of Law. Okay, Law Minister. Manase Mukase. Here they are given two questions. जज बनकर व्यक्ति को क्या करना होता है? जज माने जज. Okay ma'am? Yes. What does a person have to do after becoming a judge? The second question. हमारा देश में न्याय व्यवस्था का सर्वोच्च अधिकारी कौन होता है? अधिकारी माने ऑफिसर. अधिकारी माने ऑफिसर. ओके. सर्वोच्च माने हाईएस्ट. So who will be the highest official of the judicial system in our country? Okay ma. These two questions are presented in front of you. Now let us move on to the lesson. संध्या का समय था. संध्या माने evening. Ta was. Okay, it was a evening time. चारों ओर अंधकार फैल चुका था. चारों ओर माने four sides. All the four sides. अंधकार माने darkness. Okay ma'am? Yes. So the darkness had spread all around the four sides. ऐसे में किसी ने घर का दरवाजा खटखटाया. खटखटाया माने knocked. Okay. So in this evening time there was a darkness on the four sides and someone was knocking the door from outside. Okay. दरवाजा माने door. घर का दरवाजा खटखटाया. Someone किसी ने someone was knocking the door from outside. कौन है? ब्राह्मण शिशुपाल ने पूछा. कौन माने who. Okay ma. ब्राह्मण शिशुपाल. This is Brahman Shishupal. Okay ma. He asked, who is that? कौन है माने who is that? एक परदेशी. बाहर से आवाज आई. Children, परदेशी माने a foreigner or an unknown person. Okay ma. He was telling, I am an unknown person. क्या मुझे रात काटने के लिए स्थान मिल जाएगा? Okay ma. So this person, okay, this is that unknown person. So he was asking, can I stay at your home to spend this night? Okay. So this unknown person is asking, can I stay in your house to spend this night? Okay. Yes. स्थान माने place. Okay. रात काटना माने that is to spend that night. शिशुपाल ने दरवाजा खोला. खोला माने opened. Okay. दरवाजा माने door. I said. Okay ma. Yes. So शिशुपाल opened the door. उनके सामने एक नव युवक खड़ा था. नव युवक माने youngster. Okay ma. A young man. Okay. So a young man was standing in front of the door. Okay. सामने माने in front of. ओके, सामने माने in front of. उन्होंने मुस्कुराकर कहा, यह मेरा सौभाग्य है. शिशुपाल said. What he said? He said with smile that it is my pleasure. सौभाग्य माने luck. Okay ma? So what Shishupal is telling? It is my pleasure to invite you to my home. अतिथि के चरणों से यह घर पवित्र हो जाएगा. अतिथि माने गेस्ट. अतिथि माने कौन है माँ? गेस्ट. ओके. चरणों माने फीट. पवित्र माने होली और sacred. So what Shishupal is telling? He said our house is sacred by your arrival. Okay? Yes. आइए पधारिए. Please come and take your seat. Okay? So आइए, please come inside. अतिथि को लेकर शिशुपाल घर के भीतर गए. So भीतर माने inside. Shishupal invited the guest to come inside. शिशुपाल ने अतिथि का आदर सत्कार किया. आदर सत्कार करना माने honoring. Okay ma? To honor the guest. Okay? So Shishupal honored the guest. यह देख परदेशी मुक्त हो गया. मुक्त होना माने delighted. That is very happy. The guest was very happy by the respect given by the Shishupal to him. भोजन आदि से निबटकर दोनों बातें करने लगे. Children, after having the food, okay ma, the guest was inside the Shishupal's house. The Shishupal honored the guest. Okay, he gave him a very good food. They both had the food and then started chatting. Okay ma, they both were sitting and started talking together. Okay, दोनों बातें करने लगे. बात देश की मौजूदा न्याय व्यवस्था पर हो रही थी. देश माने कंट्री. ओके माँ. न्याय व्यवस्था माने जुडिशियल सिस्टम. So there was a conversation had between them that was on the current judicial system of the country. शिशुपाल बोल उठे, आजकल बड़ा अन्याय हो रहा है. So what Shishupal said? A lot of injustice is happening on these days. Okay ma? अन्याय माने injustice. आजकल माने nowadays. अन्याय माने injustice. So what Shishupal said? A lot of injustice is happening on these days. मेरा तो कौल उठता है. So who is telling like this? Shishupal. Okay. So मेरा तो खून कौल उठता है. That is खून माने blood. Okay ma? कौल उठता है माने boils. So that is it's showing his anger towards the injustice. Okay. So he is telling my blood boils. Okay. That much he was very upset about the injustice happening in the country. परदेसी इस बात पर सहमत ना था. सहमत माने convincing. Okay ma? This unknown person was not convinced with the Shishupal's statement. कुछ चिढ़कर बोला. चिढ़कर माने angrily, okay, or irritating, okay ma. So कुछ चिढ़कर बोला, दोष निकालना आसान है परंतु कुछ करके दिखाना कठिन. That is, it is easy to talk, okay ma. Yes, we can talk anything, whatever we feel we can say easily, okay. Unsaid, okay ma. दोष निकालना आसान है. It is easy to find fault. दोष माने fault, okay. आसान माने easy. It is easy to find fault. परंतु, परंतु माने but. कुछ करके दिखाना कठिन. करके दिखाना माने to do, okay ma, to do something, okay. It is hard to show by doing something, okay. शिशुपाल के लिए यह एक खुली चुनौती थी. So what is this children? It was an open challenge for शिशुपाल, okay ma. बोले, who said? बोले माने said. शिशुपाल said, अवसर मिले तो दिखा दूं कि न्याय किसे कहते हैं. I will show you if I get a chance to prove it, okay. What is called justice? So he said, अवसर मिले तो. अवसर माने opportunity or chance, okay ma. He said that I will show what is justice if I get an opportunity. तो आप अवसर चाहते हैं. So you want opportunity, okay ma. तो आप अवसर चाहते हैं. So you want opportunity. हाँ, अवसर चाहता हूँ. Yes, I want an opportunity. फिर कोई अन्याय नहीं होगा. Then there will not be no injustice. बिल्कुल नहीं. कोई अपराध दंड से ना बचेगा. कदापि नहीं. So what he said? Shishupal said, no criminal will escape from punishment. कदापि नहीं. Absolutely not. Okay ma'am. परदेशी ने मुस्कुराकर कहा, यह बहुत कठिन काम है. The foreigner, that unknown person, smiled and said, it is a very hard work. Okay ma, यह बहुत कठिन काम है. मेरे लिए कुछ भी कठिन नहीं. Okay, nothing is difficult for me. न्याय का डंका बजाकर दिखा दूंगा. Okay, मेरे लिए कुछ भी कठिन नहीं. मैं न्याय का डंका बजाकर दिखा दूंगा. That is, he is telling nothing is difficult for me. Okay ma, कठिन माने difficult. मैं न्याय का डंका बजाकर दिखा दूंगा. I will show the sting of justice. Okay. सुबह उठकर परदेशी ने शिशुपाल को धन्यवाद देकर उसने विदा ली. विदा लेना माने to say bye. Okay ma. Yes. So what that Pardeshi did?
He said bye to Shishupal and thanked for all his service. Then he left the Shishupal house.
कुछ दिनों बाद, a few days later, okay ma, शिशुपाल का घर पूछते पूछते कुछ सिपाही आए. सिपाही माने soldiers. Okay, they were asking who is Shishupal, like that in the street, and they reached the Shishupal's house. Okay, और उनसे दरबार में चलने के लिए कहा. दरबार माने king's court. Okay ma. So the soldiers, they said that he has to come to the court. Okay, the king asked him to meet him in the darbar. Okay ma. The soldiers, they said to Shishupal. Shishupal सहम गए माने he has accepted. Okay, these soldiers, they said that he has been called to come to the king's court. So Shishupal accepted and he was going along with the soldiers. वे यह ना समझ सके कि सम्राट ने उन्हें क्यों बुलाया है. So on the way, the Shishupal is going along with the soldiers. He was thinking in his mind, why this emperor called me? What was the reason behind it? Like that, he was thinking in his mind. Okay, ma'am? Yes. कहीं उस परदेशी ने सम्राट से झूठी सच्ची शिकायत तो नहीं कर दी. So शिकायत माने complaint. Okay, ma'am? सम्राट माने emperor. Shikayat mane complaint. Okay, ma. So this Shishupal is thinking in his mind. Children, he is thinking that maybe that foreigner, okay, that unknown person made a false complaint against me to the emperor. Okay. So सोचते सोचते वे सिपाहियों के साथ चल पड़े. So on the mind, okay, on his mind he is thinking like this and he went along with the soldiers. दरबार में पहुंचकर शिशुपाल का कलेजा धड़कने लगा. दरबार माने the king's court. Okay, ma'am. So Shishupal's heart started beating after reaching the court. Okay, ma'am. Shishupal's heart started beating very high. Okay. Yes. तभी सम्राट अशोक मुस्कुराते हुए बोले. So at that time, okay, the king, the emperor, okay, who was sitting in the court was smiling, okay, was smiling at him, at Shishupal. Okay, ma. So आपने मुझे पहचान लिया होगा. Okay, so you must have recognized me. The emperor Ashoka said smilingly to Shishupal. याद है आपने कहा था कि यदि मुझे अवसर दिया जाए तो मैं न्याय का डंका बजा दूंगा. So what happened, children? On that day night, someone came to Shishupal's house. Okay, so who was that? The great Ashoka. Okay, ma, the emperor Ashoka. So actually Shishupal and that unknown person, they were chatting on that night after the dinner. Okay, so while during the conversation, what Shishupal said, if he has given an opportunity to serve as a law minister, he will keep the peace in the country. So now the emperor Ashoka has recollected those words and he said, you only told this thing to me. Okay, ma. Yes, मैं आपको अवसर देना चाहता हूँ. मैं माने King Ashoka. Okay, ma, the emperor. Okay, so he said that I want to give that chance to you. Okay, आप तैयार हैं? Okay, you only told that if you get a chance to serve as a law minister, then you will keep peace in the state. So now I am ready to give that position to you. Okay, I am going to appoint you as a law minister. Okay, are you ready? Who asked? Ashoka. To whom? To Shishupal. Okay, शिशुपाल ने बड़ी शांति से उत्तर दिया, यदि सम्राट की यही इच्छा है तो मैं तैयार हूँ. Now children, what Shishupal said, he is a wise person. Okay, ma. So he replied calmly. Shishupal replied very calmly, if this is the wish of the emperor, I am ready to accept that position. I am ready to accept to serve as a law minister of this state. Okay. बहुत ठीक, कल से आप न्याय मंत्री नियुक्त हुए. Okay. बहुत ठीक, very well. Okay. Now the Raja is telling, okay, very well. Since tomorrow you will be appointed as the Minister of Justice. Okay. The नियुक्त माने appoint. Okay, मा नियुक्त हुए. Okay. So सम्राट ने कहा और अपने हाथ से उतार राजमुद्रा शिशुपाल को पहना दी. So what the king he did? Okay, ma. So you were appointed as a Minister of Justice.
Children, nowadays, if any person has got a job in the government, they will be given offer letter or appointment order. Okay, ma. In the same way, now Shishupal has been appointed as a law minister in the king's court. Okay. Here the king gave the government sealed ring to the Shishupal, okay, to wear him in his hand.
Ab Shishupal Nyay Mantri te. Children, now who is Shishupal? Now he is the law minister. Okay, he is the law minister of King Ashoka. Okay, yes. Now Shishupala was the minister of justice. Okay, उन्होंने राज्य की समुचित व्यवस्था करनी आरंभ की. Okay, ma. So Shishupal has started doing his work. Okay, he made proper arrangements
to keep the peace in the state. Children, I will explain you again.
उन्होंने राज्य की समुचित व्यवस्था करनी आरंभ की. उनके सुप्रबंध से राज्य में पूरी तरह शांति रहने लगी. Children, he made proper arrangement. Okay, arrangements in the state and उनके सुप्रबंध से राज्य माने state. Okay, there was a complete peace in the state. Okay, किसी को किसी प्रकार का भय नहीं था. Okay, so no one was having fear in the state. Okay, everyone were started living very peacefully. लोग घरों के दरवाजा तक खुले छोड़ देते थे. लोग माने people. Okay, so people were left to open the doors of their houses. चारों तरफ न्याय मंत्री के सुप्रबंध और न्याय को गूंज मच गई. So चारों ओर माने all the four sides. चारों तरफ न्याय मंत्री के सुप्रबंध और न्याय को गूंज मच गई. So children, all the four sides of the states, people started talking about the work, the arrangement made by the law minister. Okay, so everyone praised that there is a peace in the state and he is doing a good work. Okay, ma'am. Yes. लगभग एक महीने बाद. लगभग माने nearly. Okay, ma, nearly एक महीने बाद, after a month. Okay, ma. So about a month later, किसी ने एक पहरेदार को हत्या कर दी. पहरेदार माने guard. Okay, ma, watchman. Okay, so someone killed a watchman. सुबह होते ही यह बात चारों ओर फैल गई.
Next day early morning, people started talking about this murder. Okay, ma. This became the hot news of the city, and everyone started spreading this news all over everywhere. Okay, so they were discussing about that who will be the killer. Okay, ma. That is, they have started gossiping that who might be the killer.
लोग बड़े हैरान थे. Everyone got shocked. Okay, ma. All the people were in shock.
Children, I will explain you again.
So about a month later, someone killed a watchman. Okay, ma. So as soon as dawn, this thing spread all around the state. Okay, so people were very surprised because that Shishupal
doing his work meticulously and keeping the peace in the state. So how could this be happen? So all of them got shocked and surprised. शिशुपाल की तो नींद ही उड़ गई. Children, it means because of this confusion, he could not able to sleep. Okay, ma? He was not able to sleep.
उन्होंने अपराधी का पता लगाने में रात दिन एक कर दिया. So what Shishupal did, children, because he couldn't able to sleep at all.
Day and night become equal to Shishupal because he want to find out who was that culprit. Okay, who has killed that Peheredar, that is the watchman of the दरबार.
सम्राट शिशुपाल से काफी अप्रसन्न थे. सम्राट शिशुपाल से काफी अप्रसन्न थे. The emperor also, okay, somewhat he was upset with the शिशुपाल. उन्होंने अपराधी का पता लगाने के लिए 1 सप्ताह का समय दिया. उन्होंने माने सम्राट अशोक. Okay, so emperor Ashoka gave him 1 week time, okay, to find the aparadi, okay, that is that culprit. Okay ma. So the emperor was quite unhappy with Shishupal and he gave a week to find the culprit. जब अपराधी का पता चला तो शिशुपाल बहुचक्के रह गए. Children, now what happened? Shishupal was shocked when he came to know that who was the killer, okay, that who was that culprit. Okay, so when he came to know about that culprit, he got shocked. स्वयं सम्राट ने ही उसे उस पहरेदार की हत्या की थी. Actually, who is the killer ma? The emperor. He himself killed that watchman. Okay, सम्राट को कैसे अपराधी घोषित किया जाए?
घोषित करना माने to announce. Okay ma. Now who is that culprit? Who did that murder? King Ashoka. Now the law minister Shishupal has to announce that the Raja is the culprit. But how can he announce like that? Now Shishupal is thinking in his mind how to declare the name of the king as a killer.
पर न्याय की दृष्टि में सम्राट और साधारण व्यक्ति में कोई अंतर नहीं होता. But in front of justice, okay ma, so in front of justice there is no difference between an emperor and an common man, that is an ordinary person. Okay ma. शिशुपाल ने अपना कर्तव्य निश्चित कर लिया. Okay, actually that is his duty. So Shishupal fixed his duty. Okay ma. शिशुपाल शांत भाव से दरबार में आए. So he entered the court calmly. Okay, yes. सम्राट अशोक सिंहासन पर बैठ हुए थे. Emperor Ashoka was seated on his throne. Okay, पूछा, asked, अपराधी का पता चला. Okay, have you found the culprit? Have you found out the killer? Okay, so here Emperor Ashoka asked to the Shishupal, is the culprit detected? Okay, yes. न्याय मंत्री ने साहस पूर्वक कहा. Okay, so the law minister boldly said, जी हाँ, yes sir, पता चला गया. Yes, we know. Okay, we came to know that who is that killer. Okay ma'am. Yes, तो फिर उसे उपस्थित करो. Then why don't you present him here? Okay, न्याय मंत्री कुछ रुके. So the law minister he stopped for a minute. Okay, फिर एक उच्च अधिकारी को संकेत करते हुए बोले, धनवीर गिरफ्तार कर लो, मैं आज्ञा देता हूँ. संकेत सम्राट की ओर था.
संकेत करना माने to show. Okay na. संकेत माने इशारा. Okay, yes. Now the संकेत करना माने to show something. Okay na. Yes, इशारा. Now the Shishupal showed his hand towards the king and asked the higher official, that is Dhanvir, to arrest the king. Ucha adhikari mane higher official. Okay, adhikari mane officer. His name is Dhanvir. Now the Shishupal, who is the law minister, he is showing his hand towards the king and giving the order to Dhanvir to arrest the king, because he only has killed that god, that is the पहरेदार. दरबार में निस्तब्धता छा गई. Children, it means there was a pin drop silence in the court. Why? Because Dhanvir, the higher official, was received a command from the Shishupal to arrest the king. Okay, so okay, but the law minister Shishupal ordered Dhanvir to arrest the king itself. So everyone got shocked. What is going on here? Wow, whether the king will be arrested, or why this Shishupal is doing like this, or what is going on over there. So everyone got shocked and there was a complete silence in the court. Okay, ma'am.
सम्राट का चेहरा क्रोध से लाल हो गया. So क्रोध से लाल होना माने his face become red. Okay ma, because that much anger he has. Okay, the emperor's face turned red with anger. Okay, वे सिंहासन से उठ खड़े हुए और बोले, इतना साहस. So he stood up. Okay ma, the emperor stood up and he asked Shishupal, oh,
what a courage do you have to show your hands towards me to arrest. Okay, न्याय मंत्री ने जैसे कुछ सुना हो ना हो फिर बोले, धनवीर देखते क्या हो, अपराधी को गिरफ्तार करो. Okay ma, Shishupal reacted as if he didn't hear anything. Okay ma, the king, he said, what a courage do you have, but Shishupal didn't show any reaction. Okay, he just ordered Dhanvir, why are you keeping quiet? Go and arrest the killer. Okay ma, that is the king. Children, I will explain you again. The law minister Shishupal ordered Dhanvir, the higher official, to arrest the king Ashoka as he is the killer, because he only killed that Peharedar. Peharedar means watchman. Okay, that is a government official. He is working in the court. The king has killed him. So the king has to be arrested as per the order given by the law minister Shishupal to Dhanvir. But the king got very angry over Shishupal because he is a king. But in front of justice, a king and a common man are equal according to Shishupal. So he gave the command to Dhanvir to arrest the king. गिरफ्तार करो, गिरफ्तार करना माने टू अरेस्ट. ओके ना.
दूसरे ही क्षण सम्राट के हाथों में हथकड़ी थी. So what that Dhanvir did is, next moment the emperor had a handcuff in his hands. Okay, न्याय मंत्री ने कहा, अशोक तुम पर पहरेदार की हत्या का आरोप है, तुम इसका क्या उत्तर देते हो. Okay, then the law minister said, Ashok, you are accused of killing the god. Tell me the answer. Okay, you give the explanation. सम्राट के मुंह से एक शब्द भी ना निकला. Okay ma, yes, the emperor not uttered a word from his mouth. Yes, न्याय मंत्री ने पूछा, तो तुम अपराध स्वीकार करते हो. Then the law minister, he asked, so you accept the crime? हाँ, मैंने उसे मारा अवश्य है, पर वह उद्दंड था. सम्राट का उत्तर था, I am the one who killed him. Okay, he was defiant. That is the emperor's answer. Okay, particular god was very unruly with the king Ashoka. Okay, so वह उद्दंड था या नहीं, तुमने एक राज कर्मचारी की हत्या की है. Now the law minister is telling, maybe he is unruly, okay, but you must have killed him, but you have killed him. Okay, so you are the culprit. Okay, तुम अपराधी हो. Maybe he is unruly or domicile. You have killed an government employee. Okay ma, raj karmachari. Okay, you have killed an government employee. So तुम अपराधी हो, you are a criminal. तुम्हें मृत्यु दंड दिया जाता है. Okay, that you are given the death penalty. Okay, मृत्यु दंड माने death penalty. Okay ma. न्याय मंत्री ने अपना निर्णय सुनाया. So this is the judgment given by the law minister. That is, you are given the death penalty.
न्याय मंत्री ने अपना निर्णय सुनाया. Okay ma, this was the judgment given by the law minister.
सारी सभा में सन्नाटा छा गया. सन्नाटा माने silence. Okay ma. So सारी सभा माने the entire assembly. Okay, that is the king's court. सन्नाटा छा गया. There was a complete silence in the entire assembly. न्याय मंत्री का निर्णय सुन सम्राट ने सिर झुका लिया. सिर झुकाना माने to bow the head. Okay ma. So the judgment head in the assembly after hearing the judgment of the law minister. Okay ma. तभी न्याय मंत्री का संकेत पाकर एक कर्मचारी सम्राट अशोक की मूर्ति लेकर उपस्थित हो गया. तभी माने at that time. न्याय मंत्री का संकेत पाकर after getting the signal. Okay ma, signal of the law minister. एक कर्मचारी माने एम्प्लॉई. Okay, who is working in the king's court. सम्राट अशोक की मूर्ति, an idol of emperor अशोका, that is a statue. Okay मा, लेकर उपस्थित हो गया. उपस्थित माने present. Okay, so an employee appeared in the court with the statue of emperor Ashoka after receiving the signal. Okay ma, after receiving the command of the law minister. Okay, the employee, he brought a statue of emperor Ashoka to the court. Okay, yes. न्याय मंत्री ने खड़े होकर कहा. खड़े होकर माने to stand. Okay ma, he stand and said. न्याय मंत्री ने खड़े होकर कहा. सभाजनों माने the peoples who were in the king's court. Okay, they were in the assembly. यह सच है. Okay, this is a truth कि अपराधी को दंड मिलना चाहिए. Yes, okay, that is the culprit should be punished. Okay ma. Okay, so oh my dear people, यह सच है. This is a truth that the culprit should be punished. परंतु माने but. Okay ma'am. परंतु अपराधी और कोई नहीं. The culprit is nothing other than स्वयं सम्राट है, the emperor himself. Okay. Now who is the culprit children? The emperor. That is the emperor Ashoka. None other than the emperor Ashoka. अतएव मैं आज्ञा देता हूँ कि सम्राट को चेतावना देकर छोड़ दिया जाए. ओके, चेतावना माने वार्निंग. चेतावना माने वार्निंग. ओके, अतएव मैं आज्ञा देता हूँ. दैट इज आई एम गिविंग द ऑर्डर कि दैट द कल्प्रिट हैज टू बी वार्न. द एम्परर शुड बी गिवन ए वार्निंग and in his place और उनके स्थान पर and in his place अशोक की इस मूर्ति को फांसी पर लटका दिया जाए. So in the place of Emperor Ashoka, okay, his idol has to be hanged. Okay, जिससे लोगों को शिक्षा मिले. Okay, so that the people will get the lesson. Okay, yes, that whoever do anything wrong, they will be punished. Okay, they will get the punishment. So that is what the law minister's explanation. Okay, even if it is a king, he has to be punished if he do any wrong. Okay, in the state, then he will be deserved for the punishment. So here the culprit is the Swayam Ashoka. Okay, the king Ashoka. That's why the minister, he said that to give a lesson for everyone. Okay, So in the place of King Ashoka, his idol will be hanged. Okay ma. सभा न्याय मंत्री की जय जयकार से गूंज उठी. सभा माने assembly. Okay, so the assembly erupted with cheering laughter. So the people over there in the assembly, they were praising the louder voice of the law minister. Okay ma. The people in the assembly erupted with the cheering of the law minister. शिशुपाल ने राजमुद्रा सम्राट अशोक के सामने रख दिया और बोला, महाराज यह राजमुद्रा वापस ले लें, मुझसे अब यह बोझ नहीं उठाया जाएंगे. Now children, now there is a turning point in this story. Okay, what happened? This Shishupal, who is working as a law minister, what he did? He returned his Rajamudra. Okay ma, Rajamudra that was given by the king to the Shishupal. Okay, so he returned that to the king itself. Okay, मुझसे अब यह बोझ माने the burden. Okay, now what is the burden here? That position, that law minister position. Okay, so I don't want to keep this burden on my head. Okay, so I am returning this Raja Mudra. So he kept that Raja Mudra in front of the King Ashoka. Raja Mudra Samrat Ashok के सामने रख दी. He kept that Raja Mudra in front of the King Ashoka. Okay, and explained. Okay, and said, Maharaj माने the King Ashoka, यह राज मुद्रा वापस ले लें. Please take it back, this राज मुद्रा. मुझसे अब यह बोझ नहीं उठाया जाएंगे. So I don't want to take this burden hereafter. Okay, नहीं उठाया जाएगा. So I will not bear this burden anymore. अशोक ने सम्मान भरी दृष्टि से उनकी ओर देखते हुए गदगद कंठ से कहा. So सम्मान भरी माने with respect. Okay ma. दृष्टि माने view or sight. Okay, so he is looking at Shishupal with very high respect. Okay, उनकी ओर towards him he was looking. Who? King Ashoka. गदगद कंठ से कहा, that is with a overwhelming happiness. Okay, so he is respectfully looking and with very happy feeling said, आपने मेरी आंख खोल दी हैं. आंखें खोलना माने to get the lesson. You have opened my eyes. Okay, आपने मेरी आंखें खोल दी हैं. You have opened my eyes. आपका साहस प्रशंसनीय है. प्रशंसनीय माने admirable. Okay ma. So your courage is admirable. आप यह भार आपके अतिरिक्त कोई नहीं उठा सकता. Okay, now no one can bear this burden apart from you. और आप न्याय मंत्री निरुत्तर हो गए. अब यह भार आपके अतिरिक्त कोई नहीं उठा सकता. यहाँ बार माने क्या है? The position. Okay ma. Actually the meaning of the bar is burden. Now what is the burden here? The position. That is the law minister position. Okay. Now the King Ashoka is telling, no one deserved for this position apart from you. You have to keep this position. Now the King Ashoka requested the law minister, that is the Shishupal, to have this position. Okay, and to continue as a law minister. Okay ma. Yes, our Nyay Mantri निरुत्तर हो गए. Since the King Ashoka, he himself requested Shishupal to be the law minister. Now the Shishupal couldn't able to talk anything. He became very silent. Okay ma. Niruttar mane without answer. Okay, and the law minister was very silent. Okay ma. This story was written by Sri Sudarshan ji.
Please subscribe to our channel and kindly give your valuable comments and likes. Thank you children. Dhanyavad.